Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I was looking for some vitamin C that I didn't have to fight my children to take, and I found the answer: nature-made vitamin C gummies. These taste delicious, they have great consistency, and those are the two things my kids require. So it's winter time, we are doing everything we can to help assist our immune system, because winter's rough on everybody. So we love to keep up with our daily dose of vitamin C. These are 250 milligrams per serving. The instructions are adults take 2. So that's what my husband and I take. When it comes to my children, I just give them 1. But they love taking these. They enjoy the taste so much that they will ask for them. So that's a huge win. If you are looking for a delicious vitamin C to help assist your immune system, or maybe for another reason, Nature Made is so tasty, you're gonna love it. But that's just my point of view.